back to my channel. I am here with some good news and an unboxing. Okay, first of all, I have two things that I've been dying to get from so long. It has been a nightmare trying to get this thing, and now I have it. Now I can do whatever I want, and I am now amongst the great illustrators, I should say. I got myself an iPad Pro and an iPad Pro pencil. This is my first iPad, guys. Honestly, I never liked anything iPad or Apple or anything like that. I'm a Samsung girl. However, if I want to use Procreate, I gotta get me some iPad, okay? But the pencil, I got it at Walmart. I didn't go to the fancy Apple store to get it because they had it at Walmart. FYI, if you go online and you see it for $99, buy it online and then pick it up. Don't go to the store and purchase it there, okay? Because the price you see online is not the price that you'll be getting in the store. If you go on walmart.com and you see it for $99, click the pickup option and pay for it for $99 and pick it up. But if you go into the store, you'll be paying about $137/$140 for this, okay? Don't be like me. I was just impatient and I decided, okay, whatever, I can't deal. I'm just gonna get it either way, okay? And this is the queen of the pack, the iPad Pro 13-inch. I got this. Oh my God. And I'm so happy about this. I got it to add to my business because I want to be able to illustrate or procreate as much as I can because I'm an artist. I always had eyes for being creative, and I decided that why not invest in myself and get myself a Procreate app by getting the iPad Pro, one of the top, okay? I don't know anything about iPads, honestly, guys. I just saw this from my mobile company, and they decided that this was a good fit for me, seeing that I need as much memory as possible for my creativity and stuff like that. So let's open it together. But first, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. I am just very happy that you guys are supporting my channel and my business, and I appreciate that. And also look out for your mail. I send mail to your houses, okay? Don't forget. And if you want to subscribe to my website or my mail club, just go to heartangelbeauty.store. Okay, you guys, so this iPad Pro has it's a 13-inch M5. It is also Wi-Fi and cellular, and I also have 2 terabytes. It's on the back of here. Okay, and now is the time to open it. Are you ready? Okay, let's go. See, the tape is still there. Don't play with me. Okay, so I guess you pull that. Okay, and pull the bottom. And then you hold it like this. I'm so excited, guys. Okay. And you lift this, I guess, to lift it out. Oh my God, it is so thin. It says designed by Apple in California, so that's what's inside here. Let's put this down for a minute and look how thin. What the hell? FYI, I ordered a case, but it's not gonna get here until tomorrow, and it's pink. But oh my God, well, I have warranty on this, so this is very thin. Look at the back. Oh my God. So this is the back. Of course, I'm gonna take the paper off. Like, why would I want the paper on it? Oh my God. Look at this. Whoa. Now this is an upgrade, guys, because I have never. Okay, so I think you press here to turn it on. Should I turn the light down a little bit? Like that. It says hello in a different language too. In all the languages. I like this. Oh my gosh. Yeah, it says hello in every language. That is so cool. Okay, is it ever gonna stop? So I guess I go like that, and then I put it in English, and then I put all my info and stuff in here to get it started, which I will do at a later time. Okay, so I'm setting it up. It says appearance default. Let's see, medium, large. I'll do large, of course. I'll do default. All right. Now it says quickly set up your iPad and all that jazz. I gotta have to figure that out at a later time, but oh my God, look at that. I'm gonna put my logo and everything on here the next time you see this, baby. It'll have HeartAngel Beauty all over it, aka Angel Fit. Okay, nice. Set up without another device, I guess. Let me connect. Okay, so it's asking to connect to Wi-Fi and stuff, but I already have Angel Fit down here. You see that? Yeah, that's my network. But I already have a plan on it, so I don't see. Okay, so now I'm connected to my own Wi-Fi and it's doing its thing. Okay, so in the meantime, it may take a few minutes to activate your iPad. Okay, that's fine. Okay, it says continue. I'm an adult, of course. Face, set up later. My password should be 123456. Let's see. Okay, so okay, so now it's telling me to back up all my stuff and all that from iCloud backup, from my iPad, from my Mac or PC. I don't really want anything from there. I don't want to transfer anything. So let me just continue. Okay. Sign in with my Apple account. Email. Okay, you guys, so I have to go and figure all of this out because your girl has some info that I need to put in this, and until then it's gonna stay right there until later because I don't have time for this. But I just want you guys to see the entire thing. It is so thin. Look at this. Look how thin this thing is. Okay, all right, so let me put this over here for now. And let's see what's in here because your girl can't deal. I can't deal. Oh, that frightened me. All right, so in here it has, what is in here? Something to wipe the screen, the Apple thing for the screen, and it has a pamphlet of how to use, how to dock, and all that jazz. And what is this? It's a cleaning display. Okay, and it comes with a charger, and it comes with the cord, the outlet, and the block. I have a black iPad, so hence why the card is black. Okay, and the next thing is now we're gonna open the pen, the pencil. Okay, so as you guys can see, it is still brand new. It has not been opened, so I'm gonna pull that away. I guess that's all I have to do. Oh, okay, and pull it open. And this is the Pro as well. Ooh, what is in here? I guess the information of this thing. Yeah, I guess it's a pamphlet too. And this is the Diva right here. Oh. Really? Really, HeartAngel? This is just day one and you're making it fall already? It is very heavy. It's a heavy pen. Guys, oh my god. But anyway, my next of kin would kill me. Like, really? On day one? But anyway, look at this. Oh, Procreate, here I come. It is so heavy. It's really good quality. And there's a tape on there. So I'm going to take this off because I don't think I need this on here. There. Doesn't this charge? I guess not. But look at this. So now I can, you know, and it sticks on there. I thought this was a scam on YouTube, but unfortunately not. So yeah, your girl have a tablet and she has everything going on for her. Yeah. Anyway, guys, so yeah, this is what your girl is doing right now. So yeah, it is locked. It is brand new. I will be getting my case tomorrow. My family members bought me a case. Okay, so yeah, I'm elated. I'm happy. I'm now a part of the iPad family, and I'm gonna be doing a lot of creation, a lot of designs, a lot. Oh my god, get ready. That's all I gotta say. Get ready, because I'm coming. I am coming. But this is a great achievement, and I worked very hard for this. I really needed one because I saw so many people doing, you know, their drawings and their stickers and stuff like that and their illustrations, and I really wanted to do that too because I love whimsical stickers and creations and stuff like that, and your girl got one, so I am very happy. I worked very hard for this, y'all. It's not a joke. This was not a hand-me-down, okay? It's hard work and determination that gave me this tablet. So yeah, if you guys want to get one, go ahead and get it. It is wonderful. As I said, I'm new to this and true to this, you know. But I'll see you guys on another video. I uploaded a video today, but I'm gonna upload this right now, but who cares? Thanks guys. I hope that you guys like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget that this is HeartAngel from the brand Angel Fit, which is all about self-love, self-care, self-motivation, and the self-life. And please look out for your mail. We have a lot of things coming in those mails, and also the new launch for the website will be coming very soon. It is just a website update at heartangelbeauty.store, and also we have new things coming, a lot of things coming. You can get it online and you can get it somewhere else, but I'm not gonna say it yet. But slow and steady wins the race. You'll see what I'm saying very soon, and I hope to speak with you guys on another video. Thank you so much. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button and notification bell to make sure that you are aware when your girl is here. Okay. Love and light. Bye.